Okay, let's try this question here. We're supposed to solve for x. We're going to need to multiply this out. And in fact, that's what happens. We go x times 3x. That's how we got 3x squared. And then we did the outside is 4x. X times 4. 2 times 3 is 6x. And when we put the 6x and 4x together, that's how we get 10x. And then 2 times 4 is 8. Take away 8 from both sides. Take away 11x from 10x. You get minus x. Factor out the x. And now we're looking at the answers. There's two solutions to a quadratic. This one is 0. If x is 0, it makes it 0. Or the 1 over 3. And the opposite of this sign. 3 times 1/3 is 1. Minus 1 is 0. So there's your solutions. What about this one? Hey, this one's all about the quadratic formula. A is 2, and whenever you see correct to 2 decimal places and the mark's worth 4, you know that A, B, and C, you just plug it into the quadratic formula. There's your B minus B plus or minus B squared minus 4AC over 2A. You put it in here, press the buttons on your calculator, and if these two answers come out, you're going to get you're going to get 2 marks. There you go. Let's try this question. It's an inequality. Well, we've got to subtract 8 from both sides, and then we have to factor. Well, 3x times x is the only way we're going to get 3x squared. And then we've got to play with the factors of 8. It could be 8 and 1, but you'd spend a long time and never get it to work. But if this 2x here, what if we went 3 times plus 2? That'd make plus 6x. We're forced to put minus 4 here to make this minus 8. There it is. It's just that combination. You have to look at the factors of 8, the factors of 3, which is a little easier, and that's how you factor this trinomial. Now, there's two things that'll make it 0. X is minus 1 makes it equal to 0, and 4 over 3 makes this equal to 0. 4 over 3. And the opposite of minus is positive. Those are the zeros. And this is a happy parabola. And here's a picture of exactly what it looks like. It's got minus 2 here. It's got 4/3 here. It's crossing way down here when x is 0 at minus 8. But the question is, where does the parabola go positive? Well, this is positive. This is the positive part of the parabola up here. Well, it's to the left of minus 2. That's why your answer is x is less than or equal to minus 2. People have real trouble with this. I just put, like any parabola, and put the zeros on, but I like looking at the real parabola. It really makes you think about it. If it's 4/3 here, where does it go positive? Where is it? You see, where is the parabola greater than or equal to 0? To the right of 4 over 3, when x is greater than or equal to 4 over 3. That's why these are your two solutions. Oh, I think I like looking at the parabola. I don't do that much, and I think it's a good idea.